practically ripe. Whoa! What is that? Hello? Are you a fluffy cloud? For me? Thank you. Okay, little seed. Time to grow. Here you go. Lots of water to help you. Is it growing yet? How about now? It's growing. It's really growing. Whoa! Look at it go. Hold still, Mr. Scarecrow. I'll get you out of this tangle. It's warm. What's happening? It's... A pumpkin? A pumpkin? Bigger. And... bigger! It bounces! You wanna play? So, squishy! Wait for me! Let's play! Woohoo! Hey, no fair! You're too bouncy! I'm gonna get you! Gotcha! Riding the pumpkin! What a ride! You're the best bouncing friend ever! What's this? Wow, pretty! Let's draw a butterfly. It's alive! Tickles! If I can make a butterfly, I can make a beagle puppy. A waggy tail. big floppy ears. Perfect. Whoa! It worked! That tickles! Can't catch me! Wait for me! It's okay. I a friend. This is Painted Puppy. He's a friend too. Come on, I'll show you my home. Oh, poor flower.
A soft, magical humming sound.
Wow, you're magical.
Time to help the carrots grow.
Ooh, a pretty butterfly. My shovel? It must be around here somewhere. What's this? It's okay. You just wanted to play with it, right? We can share.
Here you go, little friend.
Not like that. Come on, I'll show you. See? You just dig like this.
did it! High five!
Playing together is much more fun. Look, Dusty, the first star of the night. What was that?
Let's go check it out!
Wow, a little star. Hello there. Are you okay? Here you go. You're safe now.
You want to go home. Don't worry, little star. I'll help you. I have an idea. The sunflower!
Hold on tight, Sparkle. Whoa! That's a long way up. Almost there. Almost there.
We made it! We made it!
Okay, you're closer to home now. You can do it. Go home. Goodbye, little star.